someone here isn't who they might be saying they are, okay? We have a person that comes across very confident, very outspoken, very kind of at ease with the room, but they're hiding something, okay? Let's take a look and see what this is, because I've just seen the death card, so maybe this could change everything for you. So, oh no. This could be quite disappointing, okay? Someone here who is maybe posing as Mr. or Mrs. Perfect is not necessarily that person, because it could end in disappointment and heartache. I feel as though they're very attractive or seem very attractive, and they also may find you very attractive, and they're probably saying all of the right things. In fact, it may even feel as though this could be your soulmate. I've never felt like this before. Very flirtatious, very complimentary, very kind of energetically inviting. So again, this person may be very good at playing the game. So just be careful here that that's not what's going on. We do not want to get played by someone who could have the power to create heartache for you. I feel like this is moving quite quickly, so they may be quite forward and engaging and wanting to kind of offer all sorts of things which would make you feel like, oh my gosh, this is a wish come true, this is everything I want. Do not be fooled, okay? Because this person is almost planning the escape after gaining whatever it is they want. They're very good communicators, this person, very good at talking, very good at schmoozing, very good at getting what they want. Now, I know that this sounds miserable because I'm saying be careful, don't go for it, because this person seems so great, but I feel as though if you move too fast, justice will be done, and the justice won't be good, okay? So just be very careful with this person, because I feel like it could change at any moment, okay? What seems like an opportunity could turn into something that you really weren't expecting. That's you there blindfolded to the reality of this. So if you have met somebody new recently, just be aware that this person could be a lesson, okay? You could be here to have a breakthrough with this person. They could cause and trigger a disharmony within you and remind you of someone from the past. So just be careful. Retrograde sometimes brings in people that, yes, a new person, but the same lesson. And so this person might be here to teach you a lesson that you aren't quite grasping. They could be an air sign, or you could be an air sign. So we have Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. They're showing with the King of Wands, so they could also be a fire sign that we just need to be mindful of. So yes, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Now, this person may come across as someone who can commit. However, what they're showing me here is that this person probably cannot. Okay, so make sure your self-worth is high, make sure your expectations from another are high. Just because this person seems to tick all of the boxes, please make them work for it, because we don't want to end up in a spot where you are regretful or you are disappointed and hurt.